Hey guys, want to do a quick once over and just talk about relaxing and getting your work done and just grabbing a project and just kind of chilling out. This isn't going to be like a project you have to do. This is something you've been wanting to do. And I know a lot of people are busy. You've got workflows, you've got pipelines, you got stuff going on, you're freelancing, you got deadlines. But if you burn out, you're going to have crappy work. So the idea is to just chill. For me, it's battle mechs. I just love making battle mechs, and I'm using Grid Modeler to do this. So I'll just kind of hide that out for a second and just talk about it because I want to come in here and move this, and G and X, you can see, I've kind of separated these by selection. It kind of messed stuff up a little bit by doing so. But I've got that origin point right here. You can see that. And it's easy to fix. You can go to your object and set transform menu. But I'm just going to do origin to cursor and fix it. So no stress. I just want to get in here and move some of these around. And some of them will go correctly because I didn't mess them all up. But I was trying to separate them so I could easily see them, and it's just overall going to look better if I can move the individual pieces and parts that I'm making. And I don't know if you guys have ever used Grid Modeler or not, but if you haven't, it's a grid-based software that creates booleans and sometimes harsh n-gons, but it really doesn't matter. If you just want to come in, grab any face in that general area and hit Q. Well, this is where I've got it. It's under the W menu, and you just right click to pull it out of there and put it on your Q favorites. So that way I just hit Q when I want it and hit Grid Modeler. Now what it'll do is it'll put a grid in here according to however I actually roll the middle mouse wheel up holding down Control, and then I can make that grid larger or smaller depending on my needs. Now I just want to make this little spot right here. It's really easy. So I can just kind of come in here and maybe go a little past the mesh, even so, and then come up and kind of start effectively wherever I want. And I may not, follow this exactly. It just doesn't matter. This is a relaxing exercise to just kind of take the stress of the week off, because I know a lot of people got a lot of stuff going on. It'd be really nice just to take a good break. And so this is my day to do that. And now I can hit Q and I can create a face here. Very easy. And then extrude said face out. Hit L over that, G and X to kind of arrange it. And yeah, I got mirror modifier on from the beginning. And the Grid Modeler does work with that, so I was kind of curious because I hadn't used the mirror modifying. I was mirroring everything at the end as one piece, and just trying to get it all done. But I just find it just ends up looking a lot better if you just take your time. So that's the big deal, guys. That's it. Gonna continue on with this and just have fun and kick off my Monday with something I want to do. And then I'm going to add this, of course, to the hard surface toolbox. I've already got 3 battle mechs in here now. Very basic. You guys kind of got to take that mech and texture it. You can detail it. You can do extra work to it. You can separate it by selection. Do whatever you want. They're not completely finished models because you never know what somebody is going to want or need. So anyways, guys, just take your time, relax, model something out, have fun doing it, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial lesson.